We are out here in Biscayne Bay in Miami, Florida. As you can see, I'm kind of in the urban northern part over here. But I've heard there's a really good trout bite over here. It was kind of cold as there was a cold front a little bit ago, but it's starting to warm up now. It's pretty hot today actually, and it's pretty calm out. So it's coming over here hoping there might be even some redfish on these flats, maybe some bonefish, and some trout. So, or some snook, whatever there is. I don't really care. I'm going for anything right now. I'm pretty excited because I'm testing out for the first time ever my first ever Cast King rod. It's another Kodiak, but it's a smaller version here. I got 10-pound braid on there, and it holds a lot of line. I mean, this thing probably has like 300 yards, 10-pound braid on it. It's the Cast King Assassin. It's the 7-foot, I think I got. Yeah, 7-foot, medium light. And this rod is nice, man. It's got the Fuji guides on there, and oh gosh, it is deadly, especially for like bonefish and stuff. It is not. It would be a really good fight on here. So hopefully we can't get us some fish. That was a little ladyfish, I think. He just ate it right there in front of the boat. Dang. First couple casts, already had a ladyfish on. That's always good. Forgot these ladyfish start to come out when it's cold too. But today is the first real day where it's feeling hot again. Because, I mean, it was real cold for a few days there. Pelicans diving on some bait over here too. There's a decent amount of birds in the area, so it's pretty good. There's a fish. Little snapper. Okay, well, it is under a mangrove, so what did I expect? You better not take my gulp. That got a little bit. It's not real. Thanks, buddy. Fish on. It's a cuda. Not what we're after either. Okay. Cuda get kind of aggressive though when it gets cold like this. What was that? Just attacked it right there. Got him! Got him! Whatever he is. Oh, it's a trout. It's a nice one too. Yes. That's what we're after, guys. Woo! why we came here. Sorry, my boat's a mess, buddy. Look at this trout. That's a nice one. I'm gonna measure him really quick and put him on a stringer if he's a good size. Alright, so guys, he has to be, okay, he has to be between 15 and 20 to keep. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure him. He's 16. Oh yeah, he's like 16 and a half. Sweet, perfect size for a sandwich. I'm sorry, buddy, I don't usually keep fish, but I'm gonna keep you because trout is good eating.